A modern living room with a large Samsung TV on the wall is shown. The TV screen is black, and a red light at the bottom blinks 5 times repeatedly. Light, tech-savvy tune plays in the background. The host walks into the frame, smiling and confident. They say, "Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a common issue faced by Samsung TV owners. The mysterious case of the red light blinking 5 times. Whether you're settling down for a movie night or gearing up for a gaming session, this blinking light can be a real buzzkill. But don't worry, we've got you covered." The scene shifts to a close-up of the TV with the blinking red light. The host explains, "First things first, let's understand what this blinking light means. In most cases, a blinking red light on a Samsung TV indicates a power or connection issue. It's the TV's way of saying, hey, something's not right here." The host continues, "Now let's walk through some straightforward steps to get your TV back in action." A graphic appears showing step 1, check the power supply. The host says, make sure your TV is properly plugged into the power outlet and that the outlet is functioning. A simple way to test this is by plugging in another device to see if it works. Next, a graphic for step 2. Inspect the power cord is shown. The host advises, look for any visible signs of damage or wear. If you find any, it might be time for a replacement. A graphic for step 3, disconnect external devices appears. The host suggests sometimes connected devices like gaming consoles or streaming sticks can cause issues. Disconnect them and see if the problem persists. A graphic for step 4, perform a soft reset is displayed. The host explains, unplug your TV from the power source, wait about 60 seconds and then plug it back in. This can often reset the system and solve the issue. The host concludes, if you've tried these steps and the blinking light is still there, it might be time to reach out to Samsung's customer support for further assistance. Remember, it's important to approach tech issues with patience and a step-by-step mindset. The closing scene shows the host standing confidently with the now functioning Samsung TV in the background. They say, and there you have it, folks. We've tackled the mystery of the Samsung TV red light blinking 5 times. Remember, most tech issues have simple solutions, and we're here to help you find them. As the outro music fades in, the host adds, "Thanks for watching. See you in the next video."